Leslian Garcia.
Philippine literature in composed literary works written in various local language, as well as Spanish and English. It reflects the rich cultural heritage and diverse experiences of the Filipino people. Here are some resources to explore and discover the Philippine literature. When it comes to influential literary figures in the Philippines, there are several noble names. Some of them include Jose Rizal. Jose Rizal is the national hero and author of Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo. Noli Me Tangere is the story of Don Crisostomo Ibarra, a young man who returns to the Philippines after studying in Europe, form the society and expose the injustice and abuses committed by the Spanish fairs and colonial officials. El Filibusterismo tells the story of Simon, a wealthy, mysterious Filipino who seeks revenge against the Spanish colonial government. Set several years after events of Noli Me Tangere, the novel explores themes of social injustice, corruption, and the desire for reform. It delves into the struggle faced by Filipinos under Spanish rule and highlights the need for social change. Nick Joaquin, he is the writer of The Woman Who Had Two Novels. Exploring their works and contribution can provide insights into Philippine literature. Miguel Sayjusos. This book provides insight into Philippine culture, identity, and historical context. It is the Ilustrado. Ilustrado is an experimental novel that follows the protagonist, also named Miguel Sayjuco, as he investigates the suspicious death of his mentor, Crispin Salvador.
So this is the Philippine literature explores the themes of family, love, and persistence that are often present in Filipino literary